Rig Distributors Limited is your starting and charging specialist. We supply starters, alternators, and component parts.
Hi, I'm Joe. I'm here to show you how to install a front seal on a 50DN alternator. This is a press-in type seal that Delco incorporated into the production of all belt-driven 50DN alternators produced after August 19th, 2009. What tools you're going to need: a 105-27085 seal installation tool, Loctite 242, a strap wrench, half-inch impact gun, a half-inch socket, 1 5/16. Of course, you're going to need the 50DN alternator. This one's missing the seal, but we're going to show you how to press it in. You're going to need the seal kit, 105-24486. That consists of the press-in seal, the collar, the O-ring that slips over the rotor shaft. You're going to need the washer and the nut from original. We must make sure the surface where the seal will sit is clean and the O-ring is not installed on the shaft. Okay, we have to install the O-ring first. We put a little bit of grease on it so it slides over the shaft easily. Install it onto the shaft without damaging the O-ring all the way down to the groove, just like this, so it sits flush. Next step is to take the Loctite 242 and apply it to the seal on the outer edge, just like this, all the way around evenly. And it's ready to press in. Okay, next step is to install the seal over the rotor shaft of the drive end housing, just like this, without damaging the inner seal. Next step is to install the seal. Use the Delco tool with the indent facing the seal, like this. Then you take the flat washer and the nut. Start the nut on the threads. Next step is to use the strap wrench and put it over the Delco tool, just like that. Now for this step, hold the strap wrench so the rotor does not turn. Take the half-inch impact gun with the 1 5/16 socket and note how close the tool is to the drive end frame. Now you can remove the Delco tool. Note how even the seal is to the casting. Okay, the final step is to install the collar. Take a little bit of grease on the inside of the collar and on the outside of the collar. Slide it over the rotor shaft, down into the groove. Your seal installation is now complete, ready for the pulley. And that's how you install the new style seal on a 50DN alternator.